This is gonna get too hot. Okay, I'll bring in the cat. Give me a sec. Where is the cat? Ah, she's sleeping. Here's the kitty cat. Say hi. She's sleepy, man. I had to wake her up. How could you? She's like, what's going on? This is hot enough, I think. Let me get started. That should be plenty of oil. You want a good amount. Okay. Ooh, that's getting hot. Okay, let's put some of this. You don't want it to get too hot. Some azúcar. Let's get the sugar melting. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Okay, let me put some oregano in the beginning. Oh shit, it's brand new. So the chicken I seasoned with like garlic powder, this stuff, sazon criollo. Good luck finding this. But this is like, in Dominican Republic you get it all the time. I think you can, yeah, see it says Dominican style seasoning right here. It has just the basics, you know. Let me see. Ingredients: salt, sugar, garlic, oregano, MSG, because that shit slaps. Okay, I think it's ready. Okay, let's get started with the chicken. I just want it to get seared first. Yeah, it doesn't get hot enough, sadly, this pan, but the color is what I want. Okay, I got a lot to go through. So yeah, I put this Dominican seasoning blend. I put olives, like olives, you know, with vinegar, some red pepper flakes for a little bit of spice, and that's about it. So yeah, the sugar is what makes this super, makes it more Dominican. Dominicans like everything with a little bit of sugar. Yeah, this pan is not nearly hot enough. I just want the sugar to get on the chicken and caramelize a little bit before I take it off the heat. Because it's gonna stew normally, so I don't want it to like cook here completely. I hope I'm not getting like chicken stuff on my microphone. Man, I got a lot of chicken thighs. This is gonna be a lot. Okay, we're done with the chicken. Now we can throw in the onion. It's a lot of onion. Ooh, that's smelling good. No, dude, it's getting all over the mic. I might need to put something on the mic. One sec. Okay. Do I sound different? The same? Awesome. Yeah, much better. That should block it. Let me see if I can tighten it a little bit. Perfect. We can throw in the garlic now. Some fresh garlic. So you can actually add like chicken stock, it just helps. Okay, why is this doing this? Oh, I know why. I know what to do. Alright, I'm just changing the direction of this air conditioning vent so it doesn't aim at me anymore. Alright, I can wash my hands. Deglazing the pan, even though this thing is not hot enough to deglaze it properly. We can throw in some of the Malagueta. Yeah, that's some, this bottle of wine is freaking huge. It's a giant bottle and it's like $5. It's just, I use it for cooking. Like actually, what I'm gonna have with this is this right here. This is Presidente, it's a Dominican beer. Fire. I love this stuff. Gotta let that get down. I don't know if I can fit all this chicken in here. It's gonna be quite the tight squeeze. Cheers. Oh, that's good. Okay. We're gonna throw in a little bit of Malagueta. This stuff's super strong. Like for a big pot of like soup, you only put like 4. So for this, I'm just gonna put 2. Like this stuff is strong, but it's so good. All right. I'm gonna put the chicken back in. Wow, that's way too much chicken. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. So now I'm gonna leave this. The chicken should release liquid, which is fine. Oh, let's put some olives in here. There's some olives. Let's turn down the heat significantly and cover it. Yeah, so I don't like olives either. I don't like eating olives at all. Like eating olives, like green olives straight from the jar, that's not me. But they taste good when you put them in stuff. So put a little bit of water, and now we wait. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika for color. Let's go ahead and mix it up a little bit. The Dominican one is darker in color because of the wine and the sugar that caramelizes. While the Puerto Rican one is red because of tomato. Oh, the rice. So I had leftover rice, so I'm just gonna heat it up. See? Leftover rice, so I'm just gonna heat it up when it's ready. No fresh rice today. But honestly, leftover stuff, heated up in a microwave with some water and covered, turns out just as good. All right, so I'll show you guys the difference between the two of them. This is very Dominican. Look how dark this is. Much darker. Very different. Okay. Alla cacciatore. Well, it's a stew. So in essence, it's like it, completely different ingredients. So where you guys use, white wine, you can put tomato, right? But you guys use like rosemary, that's what you guys use, and stuff like that, right? And garlic. We use more stuff, oregano and all that. I love pollo alla cacciatore. I like that stuff too. There's not enough room for the chicken. I've made a grave error. Maybe I put too much wine too. You know what I should have used instead of this one? Look at this big boy I got here. That's what I should have used. Much bigger. Much more powerful. Look at the size of this one. So you can take your time cooking this if you want. You can slowly cook it much longer. Or you could just, like the second the chicken is ready, like with a thermometer, you can take it out. I might do that because I'm hungry. Honestly, the garlic and onions, I should have cooked longer. They're like probably not fully cooked, but whatever. Still gonna be good. I didn't put any salt because I think I put plenty on the chicken, but I'll taste it in a little bit. Ooh, that color, see that color? Wait, let me see if I can get like a little spoon. That's what we want to see. Woo, woo, woo. I don't want to spill this on my computer. All right, I'm gonna hold this over the computer. See the color? That's what we're talking about. Oh yeah, that tastes right. Oh yeah, I'm so happy it's tasting good. That's so good. Hell yeah. Oh my god, it tastes exactly how it's supposed to taste like, except the cilantro. The trick is, this stuff, right? You don't need to get this piece. Like I said, it's literally just salt, sugar, garlic, oregano, MSG. MSG is one of the greatest things on the planet. Get that. It's sold as like flavor enhancers. A little sprinkle of MSG, some salt, oregano, garlic, straightforward. So excited. This one doesn't have pepper though. I need to put some pepper actually. Let me do that. Oh man. Oh, look at that. Maybe a little more salt. Let me see. Just a little bit. But I gotta do it like the man. There we go. You have to do it every stream. Ooh, right there. That the restaurant that the guy, the meme with the Salt Bay, it's like literally down the street from here. So it's a Miami thing, so I'm allowed to do it. Flip these guys around, make sure they're cooking. So yeah, the onions, they got really dark because of the wine, but now they're releasing that again back into the sauce, making the sauce even darker. I'm thoroughly impressed with myself. It's coming out so good. I think the chicken's almost ready. Here, let me check the chicken. So it needs to be at about 74 Celsius. It's almost ready. It's like right there. Some pieces are super ready. Some pieces are nowhere near ready. Okay, all right, let's flip this back over. Let's lower the heat a little bit more. I'm actually not doing a side. I could have done some kind of vegetable. Screw that. Chicken and rice all day. I need a spoon to serve. I need a spoon to serve. Here we go. You know what? I'll put a little bit of parsley, even though it doesn't go in there, because I want some kind of green. Wash it real quick. Parsley is not a replacement for cilantro. I mean, never replace cilantro with parsley, but whatever. I need some kind of green, or else it's gonna look funny. Just a couple pieces, and then I'll put some more at the end to garnish it. I'm gonna take a bite out of one of these chickens, see if they taste good. Let's see. Let me just make sure everything's cooked. All right, let's go ahead and try a piece. Yeah, that's cooked. Let's dunk it in the sauce. Oh yeah, maybe a little bit of salt. It's good though. It's juicy, it's cooked perfectly, the flavor is there. It doesn't need more salt. It's good. It just needs cilantro, but sadly don't have any. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off, let it sit for a little bit in its juices. Ooh, that's good. It's a little spicy. I'm surprised. Oh, I gotta do the rice. Okay, here's the rice. Just gonna heat it up normally. You cover it with a damp paper towel. Maybe add a little bit of water over it. And then you pop it in the microwave on high for like pretty much just a minute, maybe a little bit more. I am so proud of myself. This tastes like something my mom would make. All right, the rice should be ready. You can't really see the steam. There's steam coming off of it. Yep, it's ready. Let's go ahead and serve some pollo guisado. Maybe 2, maybe 3, because I'm hungry. Half of one, here we go. Okay, let me get some of this salsita on the chicken, on the rice. There we go. All right, here, and voila. There it is. There's my pollo guisado. A fat plate that I'm gonna stuff myself with. Oh yeah, that's so good. I live for this, man.